iSeeMammals is a citizen science project in New York for helping researchers study black bears. This tutorial is for recording and submitting hikes, and any observations that may occur during the hike. Hikes can be submitted with the app and viewed on the website. To begin on our app, sign in and tap Start a Hike. If this is your first time using the app, it will ask for access to your location. Please choose Allow. Then, it will ask you to enter a name for the hike. A map of your location will appear, updating as you hike. If you see bear, scat, tracks, hair, or markings during your hike, click Add Observation to Hike. You can take a photo, choose a photo, or submit an observation without a photo. When your hike is complete, choose End and confirm that you are done your hike. The app will ask if the map accurately shows your hike route. If it's not correct, click No, and that will be noted when you submit the hike. Otherwise, choose Yes. Confirm the name and date of the hike. Tap the timestamp to scroll and correct it if necessary. The forward and back arrows at the top allow you to navigate through the pages. Next, provide any additional comments about the hike. Tap the white box to access the keyboard. If the route is inaccurate, leave a description of the route, or if the hike has a name on an established trail system, or if you know the distance of your hike route. Next, indicate how many people were hiking with you, and then how likely you will hike here again in the next 3 months. Repeating hikes can provide information on trends in the area over time. Next, confirm any observations linked to the hike. It will automatically select observations that were taken during your hike, but any unsubmitted observations from before your hike will show up as options too. Select photos as appropriate. You can add multiple observations to a hike. The last page is for submission. You can delete the hike entirely by choosing Scratch this hike, or if you are not ready yet, you can choose Save but not yet submit. The app will then take you to the screen with your hikes. If you click on an unsubmitted hike, you can complete the hike by confirming you are done with it and then choosing the Finish and Submit button. Once a hike is submitted, you can click on it to view the details and description. You can also delete your hike here. On the website, iSeeMammals.org, log in and go to My Hikes in the top left corner. Here you can see your hikes and if they have observations, if they're accurate, and whether or not they're submitted. Click on a specific hike to see the route and more details. You can also delete your hike. This hike was done on the app with the phone in airplane mode. As you can see, the GPS still works. Thank you so much for hiking with iSeeMammals and contributing data. Be sure to check out our instructional videos on observations and fixed cameras.